MiniCo Safety Shorts. Ladder Safety. Ladders are a commonly used tool at self-storage facilities. This video provides information and safety tips to educate facility owners and managers and create awareness of potentially unsafe ladder usage. Choosing the right ladder. Portable step ladders, straight ladders, and extension ladders are probably the most commonly used ladders at self-storage facilities. Here are a few safety rules to keep in mind when choosing a ladder for a particular task. The third step rule. If you can't stand on the third step from the top of the ladder and easily reach your task, the ladder is too short. The 3-foot rule. If you are stepping from the ladder onto a roof or other structure, the ladder must extend at least 3 feet higher than the structure. The 4-to-1 rule. This applies to straight and extension ladders. For every 4 feet of height, set the base of the ladder out 1 foot. 3 points of contact. The ladder must be tall enough for you to maintain 3 points of contact, both feet and one hand, at all times. Weight limit. Identify the weight limit of your ladder and make sure that your weight, combined with the weight of any tools, does not exceed the limit. Scaffold. If your task requires you to lean out or move around, a scaffold may be a better choice than a ladder. Once you've selected the appropriate ladder for the task, examine it carefully to identify any defects or other issues. Check to ensure that the base is not worn or uneven and that non-skid pads are clean and intact. Look for cracks, rot, splinters, broken rungs, loose joints or bolts, and bent rails or braces. For extension ladders, make sure that the ropes are in good condition and that hooks and locks function properly. Finally, clean the ladder if necessary to remove dirt and grime that could be masking potential defects or oil that could be making the surface slippery. Positioning the ladder. Take a look at the area where you want to set up the ladder. Make sure that there is clear space around the bottom of the ladder, keeping in mind the 4-to-1 rule for straight and extension ladders. Also make sure that the area around the top of the ladder is clear, paying special attention to avoid power lines or other potentially hazardous obstacles. Get help carrying ladders that are particularly heavy or long. Place the ladder on even, solid ground. Avoid using a ladder on slippery surfaces and steer clear of areas with surface ice or water. Avoid placing a ladder on uneven ground, and never place a ladder on boxes, pallets, truck beds, or other unstable surfaces. It is generally not advisable to place a ladder in a hallway or doorway, although it may not be avoidable because of the building design. If you must place a ladder in a hallway or doorway, set out caution signage a few feet away from each side of the ladder to ensure that no one inadvertently walks into or knocks over the ladder. If using a step ladder, open it until it locks firmly. When using an extension ladder, make sure that it is locked or tied off securely. Make sure you are wearing proper footwear before climbing the ladder. You should be wearing sturdy, closed-toed shoes with non-skid soles. Climb the ladder one rung at a time, placing both hands on the side rails. Keep your hands free by carrying tools in a tool belt or by hoisting them in a bucket. When descending the ladder, place both hands on the side rails and step down carefully, one rung at a time. Test your knowledge. Click the link to take a brief quiz. For more safety videos, visit www.minico.com/safety videos.